So you have bad or no credit?
I have no credit. How are you supposed to build credit with a credit card when you need credit to get a credit card, but can't get a credit card because I have no credit?
What?
I have bad credit. Only if there was some kind of way to like build credit with like a credit card with like guaranteed approval.
You mean a secured credit card?
Yeah.
Well, today's your lucky day.
Yep, my lucky day.
In today's video, I review the top 3 credit cards to build or repair your credit. Make sure you stick around to the end to find out which one is right for you. What is a credit score? It's a number value that rates a person's credit worthiness based on their credit history. So why is your credit score so important? Your credit score will determine if you qualify for any new credit, like a credit card, mortgage, or a loan. Your credit score also affects the interest rate you may pay for a mortgage or a loan, and also the amount the lender may lend to you. So if you want the best credit cards, the lowest interest rates, and the maximum you can borrow, you need your credit score as high as possible. It's difficult to improve your credit score when you have bad or no credit because lenders won't approve you for any new credit. But I know one way you can get guaranteed approval, and that's with a secured credit card. These credit cards work like normal credit cards, except you need to put down a security deposit. So essentially, you're borrowing your own money. Secured credit cards don't come with all the benefits and rewards other credit cards come with. But once your credit score improves with your secured card, you can apply for better ones. With that being said, let's get into the top 3 secured credit cards. Number 1, the Home Trust Secured Visa. This card comes in 2 different versions, a no annual fee card and a $59 annual fee card. The difference is that the annual fee card has a lower interest rate of 14.9% compared to 19.99%. But in my opinion, the annual fee card is irrelevant because if you can't afford to be paying your balance off in full,
then you can't afford to pay any interest at all.
Also, racking up a balance is probably how some people ruin their credit in the first place.
Declined. Really?
If you want to use credit cards properly, you should pay them off in full so you don't get charged interest. The Home Trust Secured Visa is the only credit card on this list that is not available in Quebec. The minimum security deposit for this card is $500, the highest on this list, and the maximum is $10,000. Like I already mentioned, the interest rate on purchases are 19.99% and the interest rate on cash advances is the same. Some of the fees include over limit fee $29, NSF fee $45, ATM fee Canada minimum $250, ATM fee USA minimum $450, ATM fee non-North America minimum $550, and the minimum payment is 3% or the balance of $10, whichever is greater. This is the same for the other 2 cards. There is also a foreign currency conversion fee of 2% and an inactive fee of the lesser of $10 or the full credit balance will be charged. One of the biggest cons with this card is that they don't have a mobile app and they don't work with Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. But they do have the tap feature for making easier purchases. The approval rate for this card is over 95%. Only people currently in bankruptcy do not qualify. They must get discharged first. Number 2, the Refresh Financial Secured Visa. This card has guaranteed approval as long as you're the age of majority, have your security deposit, and don't have an existing or pending account with Refresh Financial. This card is the only card on this list that doesn't do credit checks. When applying for a new credit card, the issuer will do a hard inquiry, which will cost you some points to your credit score. With Refresh Financial, you won't take any hit to your credit score. This card is currently available in Quebec, but not available in Saskatchewan. The interest rate for purchases and cash advances is 17.99%, which is slightly lower than the average credit card. The annual fee for this credit card is $12.95, but there is a $3 monthly fee on top of that. So really, it's $48.95 a year. Other fees include over limit fee $5. You can only do this one time. The card is canceled the second time. ATM fee $5. Point of sale transaction international $3.50. Decline transaction fee 10 cents. Bill payment fee 50 cents. Chargeback investigation fee $10. Foreign transaction fees 3.5%. Paper statement fee $2.50. Also be aware that there is a $2 monthly inactive fee. So make sure you do at least one transaction a month to avoid this. The minimum security deposit for this card is $200. and the maximum is $10,000. This card has no balance transfers and no mobile app, but it does have the chip, so it does have the tap feature. One of the best features of this card is the referral program. You get $100 for every referred family member or friend that signs up for the cash secured loan. And number 3, the Capital One Guaranteed Secured MasterCard. This card has guaranteed approval as long as you are the age of majority, don't have an existing or pending Capital One account, haven't applied more than once in the last 30 days, or not in good standing in the last year, and provide your security funds. The security funds will either be $75 or $300, depending on your credit history. The minimum credit limit is $300 and the maximum is $2,500. So it's possible to put down $75 or $300 and get a $2,500 credit limit. This is unlike the other cards where your security deposit will equal your credit limit, but you can increase your credit limit by sending them funds just like the other cards. The annual fee for this card is $59, which is one of the highest on this list. The annual interest rate is 19.8% on purchases, cash advances, and balance transfers. Capital One offers balance transfers, while Home Trust and Refresh don't. Some of the fees include over limit fee, $29, cash advance fee, 1%, minimum 5, maximum 10, dishonored payment or check, $29, and a foreign currency fee of 2.5%. And this card has a 25-day grace period, while the other cards only offer 21 days. Capital One offers a mobile app where you can view transactions, view statements and balances, and they also have a credit keeper feature on the app where you can track your credit score with TransUnion. You can use Apple Touch ID for easy login. One more feature of this card to mention is that once your credit score improves, Capital One will send you your security deposit back and your card will upgrade to the Gold Guaranteed MasterCard. One thing to consider when trying to improve your credit score is what's your next move. You should try and get another credit card as soon as possible, like the Tangerine Money Back MasterCard or the Simply Cashback Visa card. The sooner you get another credit card, the less points you will lose when you cancel your secured credit card. So why would you want to cancel your secured credit card? Once your credit score improves, you can get better credit cards with travel benefits, rewards, cashback, and with no annual fees. Once you get a new better credit card, your secured credit card becomes pointless and you're still paying an annual fee for it. But if there's a big gap between your secured card and your next credit card, you may not want to cancel that credit card because your credit score might take a more significant drop due to your overall credit age. It all depends on your situation. Like, you may not want to take the drop if you're getting a mortgage anytime soon. In conclusion, if you're looking for the lowest interest rate, then go with the annual fee Home Trust card. If you're looking for no annual fee, then go with the no annual fee Home Trust card. If you're looking for a credit card that won't give you a hard inquiry, has a slightly lower annual fee and interest rate, and has a referral bonus, then go with Refresh Financial. And if you're looking for a lower security deposit with a higher credit limit, the convenience of Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and a mobile app, and the option to upgrade, then look no further than Capital One. But if you are not concerned about building or repairing your credit, or maybe you're just concerned that you might get into credit card debt,
I'd flip through catalogs and wonder, what kind of dining set defines me as a person?
but you still want all the benefits of a credit card, consider a prepaid card like KOHO or Stack. Watch out for my next video where I compare the two. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this with a friend. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos like this come out. And if you want to further support the channel, check out some of the affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you got any comments or questions, comment them below. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace!